Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The students, those who are sitting for O-level examination, this lesson is for grade 10 and 11. Lesson number 13. The topic is spiritual development. There are certain questions. What is spirituality? How important is the spirituality? What should we do to develop our spirituality? There are three questions. Let's see the answer for these three questions. My dear students, basically, man is fond of beautifying his outer appearance. Islam does not ask us to purify only the outer appearance, but inner appearance too. A Muslim will not gain the complete benefit of his worship, such as Salah, Zakah, Saum, Hajj, Zikr, etc., unless he performs them with inner purity or development of the mind. At present world, man pays more attention for his outer appearance. We know. Since he pays more attention, he has become so selfish and he has become like a trading good. He has lost all the good qualities like honesty, trustworthiness, patience, etc. What are the ways to develop our spirituality? Or what are the ways to develop our mind? There are four ways. One is al-ikhlas. The second, at-tawbah. Third one, al-wara. The Arabic word al-wara. The fourth one, zuhud. These are the four Arabic terms. These are the ways we can develop our spirituality. In this video, let's see some information about ikhlas. The first condition to be accepted our amal we perform is the ikhlas. When we perform an amal, our intention must be to please only Allah. Allah says in chapter number 19, verse number 110, the one who aims to meet his Lord in the last day, let him do the good and let him not to keep shirk to Almighty Allah. In this, my dear students, Allah keeps two conditions. In order to meet Almighty Allah in the last day, he has to do the good. First condition is that. Second is not to keep shirk. So how do we keep shirk? Our Prophet ﷺ said, when we do something to please the people other than Allah, or do something to make a show off to the people, it will become a shirk. That is how the Prophet ﷺ said. All our amal, actions are based on our faith. Our Prophet's hadith is reported in the book Bukhari and Muslim. Our intention is the most important for all sort of amal. Allah does not look at your appearance and your wealth, yet your hearts and your actions. This hadith also reported in the book Muslim. So Allah does not look at our outer appearance and the wealth. So Allah looks at our heart. In the day of judgment, a hero will be brought. Allah will ask him, what you did for the sake of me? He would say, I fought for the sake of you, and I wished to die for the sake of you. Then Allah would say, no, you are lying. You fought to be said by the people as you are a hero. So all the rewards given to you in the world itself, here you receive nothing. Allah will request the angels to drag him to the torment of fire. So, ikhlas is the most important factor to be accepted all our amal that we perform. Okay, students, with regard to developing our mind, we saw only the ikhlas. There are another three attributes remaining. In the following video, you can listen to the others. If you are really benefited, you can like us and subscribe to watch more videos.